So we wash our hands one time, just like that, right? Then I start to rinse my mouth and my nose once. And then I'm gonna do my face.
Okay.
From the hairline to the end of the beard line. Then I'm gonna do my right hand from the edge of the fingers to the elbow. The right one, we do every time the right before the left. And then the left, right? Then I wipe on my head and rinse my ears. I'm gonna do my right foot up to the heel. You see? And I do the left one. Make sure I do in between the toes to the heel, right?
Yeah.
And that's it. I'm done.
Easy.
So easy. Can you do it? Okay. Your hand first, your fist, and then rinse your mouth and your nose. One time your mouth and your nose, and one time your face, and your right hand to the elbow, and left hand to the elbow as well. Wipe your head and your ears. Do your right foot from the toes to the heel, and your left foot. And you're done. Your foot as I did. It's so easy, right?
Yeah.
It might take like a couple of minutes. This is how we get ourselves ready for the prayer. As we clean our body, we clean our heart. We pray sincerely to the Almighty.
That's actually very beautiful.
Yeah. So you like it?
It's something simple yet beautiful at the same time, isn't it?
Yeah.